This is a diesel compressor which we recently accepted as a trade-in. It's not exactly one of the finest compressors we took as a trade-in, but it would probably be suitable for someone blowing down machinery or doing a small amount of blasting. It's a 147 CFM diesel compressor. It's an Ingersoll brand, and it was manufactured in 1995. We've given it a quick check over, and we just opened the bonnet now, and we'll show you the inside of it. Okay. You see, look, for a 1995 machine, it's in an okay condition. It's running and all that. Any queries, give us a call on 086 196 0209 or email sales@appliedpi.com.